Okay, Jane. So here's what it is. So What's Up Trinidad Raton is the Facebook page. Just facebook.com. What's Up Trinidad Raton. I have already made you an editor of this. So when you log in, you should actually start seeing these things. Whereas before that, you would have just seen the page like a regular page. Okay. So one of the things we're going to want to do is we're going to want to actually post as many of the upcoming events. You can see on this page, the events page, as many of the upcoming events as we can. And then I'm going to be spending advertising dollars to actually promote these events. So this is where things go. So in order to do that, let's just go over to the Trinidad Lounge page, okay? We're going to go to the Trinidad Lounge page, and we're going to go and look at their events page, okay? So they have 2 events coming up, one in April and one in June, and I hope these happen. So I'm going to go ahead and open these up in new tabs, okay? It's going to make this real simple. When I'm in here, I want to actually just click here, and it's going to say Add to Page. Okay, so you can see I'm back on our events page, and there's only 3 events here. Let's see if there's anything more. Some of this stuff has been rescheduled, etc. Okay, so we've got some stuff here. All right, so I'm going to go back to here, and I'm going to add to page, and then you should be able to have this, and you won't have as many pages as I have because I manage a bunch of them. But you're going to be able to see What's Up Trinidad Raton, and you'll add that. Okay. Now we found another event coming up, the Barlow at Trinidad Lounge, so we're going to go ahead and add that. So we're just going to go to the events page, click on these 3 dots, click on Add to Page, click on, we're going to find our page right here, and click Add Page. All right, and once that is, it's going to bring you back here, but more importantly, when we refresh this events page, we're going to now start seeing those events added. Okay, in the time manner in which they were provided. So 19th. So here's the Trinidad Lounge soft opening, Uncle Dick Wharton's birthday. Here's the Barlow. So we just added this one and this one. Okay, and so that's as simple as it is. Now sometimes I will look and say, okay, what other events are going on? Because those are 2 I know. But let me just say events in Trinidad, Colorado. In the little search area there, so I'm going to look at events in Trinidad, Colorado. It's going to pull me up pretty much anything here, and I'm going to go ahead and I want to look at them all. Okay, I'm going to close these things down. Okay, so right now we have, so I'm just going to go and just open these ones up in, now I've already added some of these, but I'm going to open up these in ribbon cutting, Donut Friday, meet in day. So this is what I do. I just open all of these up in kind of a new window. Okay, same thing as it was before, same recipe. I'm going to go in here, click to add a page. And this is how fast it is to add a whole bunch of events. And that's why we need people to actually create the event on their page, because then it's very, very simple for us to add 10, 20, however many events. And the thing is once this starts happening, we're not doing that. We're only a couple events are being added, and we're adding to this. Now, what I end up doing is I try and get on a schedule to where I might do, I might do these on, Mondays and Wednesdays. And then I'll check on Thursdays just to see, if there's anything happening that I missed in any of those times. So, but this is how simple it is. Doesn't cost anybody anything for us to add this to the What's Up Trinidad Raton page. And again, that's the page that I'll be spending money on to drive traffic to these events, so that if folks are not connected to Trinidad Lounge or any of these other folks, Mount Carmel, they'll still see these events and be able to plan them. It may not be for them, but it may be for somebody they know. It may be some reason to call somebody to come on into town, whatever. So that's kind of how this goes. And so I'll end this video and we'll do some other stuff a little later. Okay.